Wemeli Kanongpo constituency uba Mayralborn CM hakar huitrik yayong ulong bagi jaka Pule Doktor lanik medical colleges kideban wanra no hak jala Meghalaya khamtam hari Bhoi district berkibriyo kideban je di kilan pentibet hakal yang akot kekhia khlam ka jala kandan ni lagi jong kibri ban pej bat peniat ondal wanra Skul Pule Doktor lanik medical college uba Mayralborn CM ulakam ban nadu usnam arja khat lai kladon kejeng persang ban wanra gi jaka Pule Doktor hapo ka jala Kalbakatura Medical College kelas sedang menwandur ke Shillong Medical College kampat Melayu XIAA. Mula kata kadon ke jingkermen bagi Skul Pule jong sorkar pedeng lening sorkar jela kensa donshen.
Since 2012-13, the Shillong Medical College and then Tura Medical College. But now Tura Medical College have started to take shape. And now we hope that the process for the beginning of Shillong Medical College also will hope to see the light of the day very soon, because we need to have a medical college in our state, be it central owned, state owned, or in any PPP mode or any, but we need a medical college. See, once the medical college will start, be it in Shillong or Tura, I'm of the opinion that we should have our own resource person, our own lecturer, own teacher, own faculty member. So right from now, our own people, they have to start exploring, pursue for further study. So whenever we have a medical college in place, we have our own people to work with.
Habakadoi kenuksa jong ke AIIM ke wadang supplication hagwati uba Mayralborn ulong babun ki bala pentibet hakal yang akot kekhia kata kinohikai nakiwi ki benta jo kathan chite lamingi klasa khor sarkar jong ke jela Assam ban sakri hangthe.
Many medical colleges has come up in Assam. Now recently AIMS, we just inaugurated AIMS in Guwahati, where many medical profession, faculty member from different part of northeast of India, government of Assam, they call them all to serve the state. So that is the pride of our state. So we look forward.
Ulapan paru ke jingkerman bak sarkar MDA ke baar kantre ben pentikna bad onchna ke Skul Pule Doktor hari Bhoi ke distrik ke bala itho kum ke aspirational district dakan niti ayuk.
Keeping in mind one very important issue that I have been raising the past 1 to 2 years about having medical college in Bhoi district being an aspirational district as regarded by Niti Ayog. So I hope the MDA2 government, and as a responsible legislator from Bhoi, taking on board all the legislator on one direction, that we hope to see that it will take shape very soon in days to come to explore possibility to have a medical college in Bhoi. Central government college, fully 90% sponsored by the central government and 10% from the state. We will hope that we'll see the light of the day very soon.